Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix that if Snapchat not letting you add people. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat is not letting you to add more friends, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to keep in mind that there is a limit on Snapchat friend which is 5,000 people. So you cannot add more than 5,000 people on your Snapchat account. So once you have reached them, so you must have to go for your Snapchat and here select friends. And in friends, you just have to remove some friends from your friend list. And once you have removed, you can easily add more people. But if you have some friends, but the Snapchat is still not letting you to add more people, let's see how can you fix that issue. It may be that there is any bug on your Snapchat, so you have to open your Snapchat, then tap on your profile in the top right, left right corner, and here you have to simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and look for clear data option. Simply tap on it, and here select clear cache, and here you just have to select clear. Once you have that, it will clear if there any bug in your Snapchat. Then tap on this OK option and your Snapchat app will be restarted. So you must have to restart your app, and once you have that, it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, so you must make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So here you have to go ahead to your quick settings, then enable your airplane mode, and you must have to briefly wait for almost 5 or 10 seconds. Then disable this. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to open your Snapchat app and here retry it. So it may be that your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, so you have to go ahead to your profile again, then go for setting, and here you have to search for safety center or help center option. So you must have to describe your problem here, and from here you can easily get your solution for any specific problem. So in this so that's how you can easily fix your Snapchat not letting you add people. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.